Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to create task groups using Todoist sections. This is your complete 2025 guide. First up, open your Todoist app and navigate to the project where you want to add sections. Click on Add Section at the top of the task list. Now, type the name of your new section and hit Enter. The reason we do this is to help organize your tasks into groups, making it easier to navigate and manage. Next up, let's add tasks to the section you've just created. Click on Add Task under your new section and type the task details. Click Enter to add it to the list. This task grouping helps you keep related tasks together, streamlining your workflow. Now that we've done that, the next step involves reordering tasks within a section. Simply click and hold the six-dot icon next to a task, then drag and drop it to the desired position. This helps us because it allows you to prioritize tasks based on importance or deadlines, ensuring you tackle the most pressing tasks first. Lastly, if you want to move a task from one section to another, just click and hold the task, then drag and drop it to the other section. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Todoist is continuously saving and syncing your changes, keeping your task list updated across all devices. We've covered how to create sections, add tasks to them, reorder tasks within a section, and move tasks between sections. Remember, the beauty of using sections in Todoist is its ability to declutter your task list and enhance your productivity. And that's it. Now you know how to create task groups with Todoist sections. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay productive.